राज्यात पडिल्ल्या उटंगराच्या पावसाक लागून वेर्णा औद्योगिक वसाहतीतले रस्ते फोंडकुलां पडून पिड्ड्यार जाल्यात। भौशीक बांदकाम खातें हे रस्ते 15 दिसां भितर म्हळ्यार 15 सप्टेंबर मेरेन रस्त्याच्या दुरुस्तीकरणाच्या कामाक सुरवात करून काम तडीक लायतले, अशी माहिती भौशीक बांदकाम मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकर हांणी दिल्या। RDX गोवा खातीर कुठ्ठाळेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Problems are in Goa because of heavy rainfall for last 6 to 7 days and also prior to 15 days. Now there are also some problems that some of the corporations, some of the municipalities own their own roads, and that is the reason PWD cannot intervene in the matter. For example, in the terms of Verna Industrial Estate, it comes to IDC. IDC has to take care of maintaining the road. And I personally feel IDC will do in next 15 days to repair all these roads.
Now, the main road is not under IDC, it is 17B.
Regarding 17B, if the in Verna, if there is a problem, I will see that within 15 days it will be repaired. As per my knowledge, major road which is damaged is in IDC. Once there is a bright sunshine, we will take immediate work, and by 15th of this month, everything will be done. If it is bright sunshine, if it is no sunshine is not there, it is very difficult to complete. But by 38th, everything is possible. We will restart the work also.